Hello and welcome to How to Manage Stress Well, Blood Type O. Dr. Dademo has been working to research on the topic of blood type specific lifestyle over 30 years. In his books, he describes the optimal lifestyle for each blood type. This includes nutrition, exercise recommendations, and the optimal stress management. According to Dr. Dademo, the stress reactions vary depending on the genetic predetermination, the blood type. At the same time, according to Dr. Dademo, people of the same blood type react in a similar way to stress. Regardless of any blood type, the nervous system always strives for balance. If this cannot be achieved over a long period of time, the body is noticeably unbalanced. When the stress hormones cortisol and adrenaline are released over a long period of time, they can actually manifest a disease. This is varying from blood type to blood type, according to Dr. Dademo. For people of blood type O, it takes the longest to stress to be physically displayed. So, organically speaking, you have the smallest cortisol and adrenaline reaction. However, should it once come to such a permanent stress that the body was damaged, blood type O people need a long time to regenerate. Stress over a long period of time causes exhaustion in people of blood type O. A coping mechanism for stress relief can be displayed in blood type O by anger and aggression, according to Dr. Dademo. What are the practical recommendations for stress reduction of blood type O? Practice techniques for dealing with anger. If, in a given situation, you feel that you cannot control your anger, then make sure you have a break and distance yourself from the situation. Walk around the block, do some aerobic exercise, and maybe hit a pillow. Wait until the trouble settles, and then deal with the actual problem. Concentrate on your own feelings to deal with anger and stress in a good way. For example, do not say, "It was absolutely your fault," but better say, "I'm disappointed." Make sure you have people around you to talk to once you experience stress. People of blood type O can reduce their stress levels by being able to open themselves to a sympathetic companion. Make a little break in your working day for physical activity, especially when you have a job where you have to sit a lot. After these little exercises, you feel more energized. Give yourself small rewards, even if you have completed just small tasks. Avoid stimulants like tobacco, sugar, coffee, and drugs. If you crave these stimulants, be physically active. Dademo recommends an increased intake of B vitamins for blood type O in times of stress. In particular, vitamin B1 and B6. He also states that it is important to take sufficient amounts of phytosterols in everyday life. In case of acute stress, Dademo recommends the plant Rhodolia. In general, he recommends that it would be the best for you to set goals to avoid impulsivity and trying to do all your tasks all at once. Take all your meals, including snacks, sitting down at the table. That helps you to calm down and relax. Food deprivation is big stress for blood type O, so make sure you're eating regularly in a sufficient quantity. When you realize you're under stress, do not make big decisions and do not spend a lot of money. People of blood type O benefit enormously from strenuous, regular sports that influences the cardiovascular system and the skeletal muscles. For the best results, Dademo recommends to do sports for at least 4 times a week for 30 to 45 minutes. The most suitable are aerobics, weight training, gymnastics, running, kickboxing, cycling, inline skating, or similar sports that improve the health of people with blood type O by increasing the release of neurotransmitters. These were some tips for managing stress well with blood type O. In the books of Dr. Dadamo, you'll find in-depth information and more detailed explanations of the lifestyle along the individual blood types. If you're interested in a subject, you can find an online course on Udemy on the blood type diet that I created. I'll be glad to see you there again. So thank you very much and see you soon.